Now, other proofs are strictly algebraic and use all algebraic reasoning and properties. So for example, here we have write a 2-column proof where the given is that 2 times the quantity of x plus 4 times the quantity of x minus 5 equals negative 42. And we're trying to prove that with that equation, x equals negative 5. So to set up the proof, we'll start with the given and then we'll end with the proof. So our first statement is that given. We have 2 times the quantity of x plus 4 times the quantity of x minus 5 equals negative 42, and the reason is given. So now think of how you can prove that x equals negative 5. Well, that proves that last statement has the variable x completely isolated alone on one side of the equal sign. So you've solved for x. So just go through your steps for solving for x. It's just the difference now is in a proof, you have to also state the reason after you complete each step. So the second line or statement can be if we use the distributive property, we distribute the 2 to the x plus 4 and the 4 to the x minus 5, we get 2x plus 8 plus 4x minus 20 equals negative 42, and you actually write that you use the distributive property. After that, we would then combine like terms and simplify that left side of the equation. So 2x plus 4x gives us 6x, and 8 minus 20 gives us negative 12. And again, I'm writing the reason is combining like terms and simplifying. We then want to get the x isolated. So if it's 6 or x times 6 and minus 12, we want to undo that minus 12, so we're using addition. So statement number 4, 6x equals negative 30 is coming from the reason that you added 12, so that's the addition property. We're using addition. And finally, to get the variable isolated, we now have x times 6, so we'll divide by 6. So now we're using division. So that last reason, how we get the line x equals negative 5, how we get what we're trying to prove is by dividing by 6. So we had to actually write that it was division, or that division property that we used to complete this proof. And as you can see, it's almost like the left side, the statements just look like you're solving an equation. It's just now in a proof, we have the reasons and what you usually say to yourself in your head of why and how you're solving an equation. We're just putting down written in the proof.